Greetings. In this video, we are going to look at how uh, LinkedIn has added a new design feature on their platform. You can now design graphics from there, and it's also AI integrated. So as soon as you log into your account, you come here to start a post. We have photo, video, and then we come here to design. So I'll click there on design. The tool is called Microsoft Designer. Okay, and as I was saying, it also is AI integrated. So if you want to generate, let's say, create something by use of prompts, you can add text there and it's able to generate for you something. Okay. So if I add here new stuff, member, then you tell it to generate from your prompt. Then you give it a new. Yes, so as you can see from what you prompted it and what you fed it, it gives you suggestions here. Welcome to the team. Like these are graphics that you can customize easily to welcome a new team member to your organization or company. So you can pick on any of these and then customize it as we're going to see later. So this was just to see the AI integration and how you can use prompts to also generate graphics in Designer. So if I close here, now it will bring me to the main interface where there are many other templates that are available. We're going to see how you can customize. So for example, you go through the list of templates here. Or if you find one that you like, let's say for example this, click on it and then it will come to the right hand side and then you can begin making changes to it. Also very important to note that we have here on the right, on the side here where the ideas, in case you're looking for more ideas on this graphic, it's always generating for you graphic ideas here based on even the information that you keep feeding it. So we have a graphic here. If you want to edit the text, all you need to do is double click it and it will become editable. And you place your cursor anywhere and you add in your text. And we have different fonts of the text here. There are different fonts. So for example, you can click on this and it will automatically change. If you want to change the color of the text, if I click there, it will suggest, it will bring me colors here. And we have more colors here. Go to color picker and then you can automatically change the text color. Okay, so once again I'll click on the color of the text, change it to that. Then if you more formatting of the text, you can bold it, underline it, strike through. Okay, we're ready. So the size here, I want to increase the size or reduce it. This is where you do it from. And then the position, opacity, how much you want the text to appear. If you want to reduce how much it's appearing, you can reduce the opacity here. Then you can also, in case you want to rewrite, yes. So that is how you can make changes to text that is already existent there. Okay. So if you want to add an image within here, you come here to click on My Media. You pick from this device if you have an image on your computer. For example, I'll use this. Click on it once. Yes, and it will tell you that it has been uploaded successfully. Then you click on it once, and then it will come here in the design. Then you can begin making changes. You can always reduce it, increase it, to place it in the best place in the design that works well for you. Okay, then you can also make changes to it if you want to replace it. If you want to remove the background of this image, you can always click on it once and it will automatically remove the background in the image. As you can see, I'll just undo that process so that we can see other features. So to always undo anything, you can undo here and it will restore it back to when it had a background. It's back there. Then you can also crop in case you want to crop the image. Okay. Set as background if you want this image to be the background image of the graphic. Set it as the background. Okay. Yes, so I'll undo that as long as we've seen the process. Okay. So those are the changes that you can make to the image that you add in. Then we have here visuals. In case you want to use searching for a photo, an image to use here, you can search for, let's say, camera, press enter, and then it will bring you different options of cameras that you can use. As you can see, it's placed there. You can change the color. Okay, and then you reduce opacity as well, also position. So it offers you good options. I'll come back here once again. So photos, the tool also provides photos that are already there. Graphics, that is after searching for camera. Then beyond the camera, it brings you graphics for cameras, photos, so that you're well covered. Okay, so you can search for any photo here and it will be able to provide you with good content. Then you can also search for shapes if you want to use any shapes. If I came here to all, to provide you with good shapes there that you can use in your design. For example, this is a good shape. You can place it anywhere, be able to stretch it. Please don't be too worried about how good the design looks here. We're just looking at the different elements of how you can make your graphics here. Okay, then we have text. If you want to add text into the design, I click to add a subheading, then I drag it here. And then like we saw in the changes at the time, you can double click on this, then start making changes. Can change the font, the colors, as we saw already. Then lastly, we have here the brand kit. Just to mention, you see the different ideas it brings here of graphics from what is being presented to it. So it's always also constantly generating graphic ideas that you can use as well. Then we have brand kit in case you want to change the fonting and the styling of your graphic. You can always select any of these and it will automatically change. For example, if I click this, I'll re-emphasize this, that you need to have really good connection so that your changes reflect quickly as you're working. as you can see, it has changed to this, and even the ideas that it's bringing are also based on the brand kit that you have selected. So after you can after you're happy with your graphic design and everything, you want to download it. So you come and click here and download. Then you can copy it as an image, send it to your phone, and even the formats, if you want it as a good quality high image, PNG is recommended. Then you also have an image format JPEG. Then also if you want it as a document, PDF. So after you selecting the one that you want, you click on download for it to begin. Okay, and then you will have your download ready, your graphic watermark free. And that is how you can design with Microsoft Designer in LinkedIn. Thank you.